Stimulation. Still, no happening. Seed. State 0 or शून्य. Something to happen, there must be some stimulation in any form. Emptiness leads to stimulation. For examples, number 1, stomach. Empty. Hunger occur leading to drive to act to fulfillment or make desire. How much desire should be there? Required some act of balance. 0. Otherwise, limitless desire will lead to ill health. Second example, brain, mind, empty, mere thoughtless state, dhyan. Concentrate to single thought, leaving aside rest incoming inputs on your senses to next priority list of options to be choose, to execute in, to act or react. As you go to emptiness of mind, hunger of thought appears, leading to next thought. In this way, mind got stimulation. This also requires some act of balancing. Limitless thoughts will lead to ill health of mind. Third example, financial status. In this world, system works on give and take or check and balance. Near zero financial status will feeling of emptiness, leading to some stimulation of earn some money. This also requires some act of balance. Limitless desire to earn will lead to imbalance, leading to unhealthy practices of way of earning or corruption. Corruption at individual level can be controlled by self-regulation, in which education, both formal and informal, from outside education qualification or informal coming from inside, intellect, vivek. Balancing from outside will require a system which has to act on mass level. So need of formal rules and regulations or enforcement of law. Key to regulate mass health is frequent changing law because situations where these laws to act are keep on changing, both in mental status and physical level. A harmony will require in these two changing situations, mind and body, and both are driven by soul, which is connected to God, which is ultimate energy source. Once you are in tune with eternal energy source, your thought and then act will be driven by eternal and will be godly act and will be in perfect balanced state. Now you and your environment feel good, which is the feeling of God. उद्वेलन या स्टिमुलेशन. कलाकार, क्रिएटर ऑफ इवेंट्स और हैपनिंग. उदाहरण के लिए एक तालाब का पानी शांत होता है. शांत तालाब के पानी में हरकत पैदा करने के लिए एक ऊर्जा की जरूरत होती है जो इसमें हलचल उद्वेलित कर पाती है. वो ऊर्जा हवा भी हो सकती है या किसी के द्वारा फेंका गया पत्थर भी इस शांत पानी में हलचल पैदा कर सकता है. स्त्री की उपमा इस शांत पानी के तालाब के द्वारा की जा सकती है. इसमें वह शक्ति निहित है जो एक इवेंट या हलचल या जीवन या शारीरिक जीवन को जन्म देने की क्षमता रखती है, लेकिन उसको उद्वेलित करने की क्षमता उस ऊर्जा में निहित है जो हवा या फेंके गए पत्थर के रूप में फेंक पा रहा है. पुरुष वह ऊर्जा है जो इस शांत स्त्री में वह हलचल पैदा कर बीज रोपित करने की क्षमता रखता है. इस प्रकार से इस संसार में शारीरिक जीवन अपने चक्र की पूर्ति स्त्री पुरुष के माध्यम से कर पा रहे हैं. दोनों में सामंजस्य स्थापित होने पर प्रकृति का एक बैलेंस मिल जाता है. इसको बराबर रखने के लिए प्रयास किए जाने चाहिए. संसार का हेल्थ का बराबर बनाए रखना ऊर्जा का किसी एक की ओर झुकाव असंतुलन पैदा कर सकता है. तो इस संसार की हेल्थ के लिए स्त्री और पुरुष के ऊर्जाओं में संतुलन कायम रखने का प्रयास बराबर किया जाना चाहिए. Level of consciousness. Life flows as a river. Energy which makes to flow of water goes through middle of the river. Going right or left will decreases the speed of flow. To maintain right speed of flow, try to remain in middle line. In right way, living your thoughts should be keep you in that level of consciousness in which you feel good or in comfort. This level is free from further happening and happened in past. In life, try to maintain this level of consciousness for most of the time. This is a state of yoga to eternal energy source. The act which gives rise to formation of human is sexual act. As external as excitement increases, level of consciousness also. Erection of penis occurs, your feeling of good increases at the level of that consciousness where you find maximum excitement prior to ejaculation. Maximum erection occurs. As maximum speed of liver lies in midline, level of consciousness which gives rise to birth of new life, which is seed of origin, comes when your feeling becomes midline, not forward in future or not backward in past. At that point you feel like God, eternal energy source. The life cycle goes in between depression to excitement. There is a cycle. At the verge of excitement, birth of life through seeds of origin. At verge of depression, loss of energy. Level of consciousness changes from verge of excitement to verge of depression. In these two extremes lie the center point is zero या शून्य. भाई जी अभी